In this tutorial, I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 desktop and get some macOS look on your Windows 11 desktop. I'll show you step by step how to install the skins and how to get this look. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show that how to get some macOS look on your Windows 11 computer using only Rainmeter. So this customization is not going to affect your system performance. If you want to get rid of it, just go to control panel and uninstall Rainmeter. So first thing, we have to install this software called Rainmeter and click on OK and then click on yes. So it will install the Rainmeter, and here is some default skin. We need to download this. All links are given in the description or check pin comments, and then we have to install these skins. Double click on it and then click on install. Okay, now we have to hide the desktop icon. Right click on desktop and then you have to hide this desktop icon, and we need to hide the taskbar and start menu as well. So right click on taskbar and go to taskbar settings and then click on taskbar behavior, and here you can see this automatically hide taskbar. Just check it here and it will hide your taskbar. Okay, now go to click this hide tray icon and open Rainmeter and then click on refresh, and now in here we have to load this dock and then click on load. So it will load the dock, and now we have to load this info as well and place it here. And now we have to load more widget like Microsoft Edge, music, and weather widget as well, and then place it here and click on this control panel and place it here. Okay, you can place this widget whatever you want. Okay, then click on this Apple icon and then place it here. Okay, that's it. This is how you can customize your desktop, and very easy way. So I hope you like this customization. If you like this customization, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.